Welcome to the Docker course. I hope you're having an amazing time where you are. Today, we're gonna talk about how to sign up for Docker and how to install Docker on your machine. Let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser, then type hub.docker.com. This would take you to Docker's homepage. You need to click on Sign Up. Choose a Docker ID. Type your email. Choose a secure password. Check those boxes. Check I'm not a robot. Now we have to verify that we are not a robot. Okay, traffic lights. All right. Okay. Click OK and click sign up. Go back to hub.docker.com. Click on sign in. Use the credentials that you used while creating your Docker account. Click login. This would take you to your user homepage. From here, you can create a repository. You can download various images. Type download Docker for Windows. Click on the Docker CE, that is Community Edition. We will be downloading Docker Desktop for Windows. So you can download Docker Desktop, but it requires you to have Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise 64-bit. But don't worry, if you don't have those, you can just download Docker Toolbox. And for our video series, we will actually gonna download the Docker Toolbox. Scroll down. Here's a lot of information about what Docker Toolbox is and what will be included in your Docker Toolbox. Scroll down a bit more. Here you can choose Docker Toolbox for Mac or Docker Toolbox for Windows. Let's click on Get Docker Toolbox, save. I have downloaded both Docker for Windows installer and Docker Toolbox. Um, you can watch our second video, which will show you how to install Docker Desktop for Windows. So don't worry if you have Windows 10 Professional and you want to see how to install Docker Desktop, just watch our second video. And for this, we're just gonna go ahead and double click on Docker Toolbox. Okay, let's go ahead, click next. Uncheck VirtualBox because we will install VirtualBox directly from virtualbox.org. Click next. Install. This will take a few seconds. All right, that will be it. Summary. First, you need to go to hub.docker.com, click on Sign Up, choose a Docker ID. Once you have done that, verify your Docker account, then go back to hub.docker.com, click on Login, go to the search engine, and type Docker CE or Docker Toolbox. Now, choose Docker Toolbox or Docker Desktop. Once it's downloaded, start the installation process. If you liked our video, I will recommend continuing with the series. In the following videos, we will be talking about how to create images using Docker, how to create containers and run images on it. We will be talking about how to download VirtualBox and many other features. Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.